Alright guys, today I'll be doing a very catchy review on the DJI mic, okay? And I know it's a normal feature that most modern mics now, they are wireless, but this is a spectacular mic, okay? And I'm going to do a review so you can get to consider at the end of the day if you should go for it or not. So here is the DJI mic, okay? And this is the pack. It is amazingly small, okay? And that makes it a lot portable. It is super portable, okay? So it means I can just take this anywhere I am going to. I can take this anywhere I'm going to. We're going to just get to open it. So I'm going to open the mic. And here it is, here it is, here it is, here it is. So firstly, I have this at the top, which is a pack that contains all the components of this mic, but we're not going to consider this now. I'm just going to bring out the major component first of all. Okay, so we have a box here. We have a box here, and this box contains the mic. That's why I say it is super portable, and that's what you want from a mic. You don't need a mic that is too big to carry about, okay? That's why it's a mini mic. If it's too big, then why bring in a mini mic if you can just use a boom mic, okay? And that's one of the key features. It is very portable, and this box can be charged, okay? It has an inbuilt battery, so when you're charging it, just like a typical AirPod would work. Once you're charging it, it is charging the mic, okay? It's also charging the mic. So when you take this off, when you take any of this off, it has power because it's been charged, okay? It is not directly charged. It can be charged through this box, and that is very nice because when there is no power, you can still have extra power here that you can use to charge it, okay? So it's very nice mic. Okay, there are two mics here, and these two are the sender. Then here we have the receiver. Okay, we have the receiver, and it is very small and sleek. That's why I love this mic. Very small and sleek. Okay, so we have this receiver, which is touch screen. We're going to talk much about it later. Okay, it is touch screen. You can change the language here. Okay, so this DJI mic, and it has a regulator here. That is why I love it so much. It has a regulator, so you can know when your mic is not connected and when exactly it is connected. So you have a radar that shows you each of the mic, shows you their present state. Okay, I believe that is very amazing. That's very amazing. So I'm just going to put it back. I'm going to put it back so that we can look at other features. Okay, this mic right here is easy to use, super easy to use. You don't need to be doing any channel configuration, trying to configure the channel like some kind of Sennheiser mics. You don't need to be doing trying to connect, trying to make sure the channels are similar and things like that. It is very easy to use, very easy to use. All I just need to do is to remove it. When I remove it, it is automatically connected, and you can just pin it. You don't need to do much. Just pin it on maybe your presenter's shirt or whatsoever, the person that is in the shoot. You can just pin it to their shirt, and that would be it. No other complex connections to do. No other complex connections to do. And you have a dashboard here that shows you the battery level. Okay, the battery level. And one good thing about the battery is that it can last up to 15 hours. Okay, I mean, plus the box now, it can last up to 15 hours. Okay, but individual mics can last 5 hours. Okay, so if it drains down, you can put it again and charge it again without getting to plug this box to power. Okay, so in total, they can last for a total time of 15 hours. I believe that is very amazing. That's what you need from a wireless mic. That is what you need from a wireless mic. Okay, so this is the box. And we also have other amazing ports, because nowadays most people record with their phone, so there's no need to fear about if it will have a solution to using it for mobile phones, okay? Because it has two. I'm just going to take it out. It has two converters here, okay? And these two converters, one is for the iPhone, and the other is for maybe a Type-C. A Type-C converter actually, so it means you can use it for your phone. So how do you use this? Because you would have to fix it in your phone. Okay, so you just slide this into it. You just go by sliding it sliding it here. It is not something difficult. You just slide it here, and when you slide it, you plug it to your phone, your Type-C phone. Okay, you plug it to your Type-C phone, and if not, if you're using an iPhone, you can plug it to your iPhone. So here's the iPhone converter. So it's a very nice mic and very flexible, okay. So another key thing this mic has is that it works in a very far range, very distant range. It can still work. Okay, it can still work. There are some wireless mic that might not work when the range is very far, but this is very superb. Okay, another key thing that I love about this is that it has a magnet. Okay, it has a magnet. That's why it's very easy to use. Okay, so if I don't want the mic to be visible, there's something I can do. Okay, I'll just show you. I can put it in my shirt, and when I put it in my shirt, I can simply use the magnet and hold it. Okay, so you can see it's right here, but you can't see it. It's just a black magnet you can see. So I can be recording and it won't disturb. You won't get to see the mic. I might not hang it here, pin it here, but it will be here and it will still be recording. Okay, I believe that is very amazing. That is superb. That is superb. And that thing is that not only there, you can also place it on a magnetic surface. Okay, so if the surface is metallic, you can place it there and just stick it there. It will just be recording. So if you're using a camera, for instance, if you're using a camera, you can easily slide this into the camera. Okay, like I said, you don't only have these two phone converters. You also have this. You can use to slide it into your camera. So for the remaining time in this video, we're just going to use it to check out the audio, the sound, okay? Because that's the major thing. It does not matter how slick a mic is, it has to have good audio, because that's the major importance of every mic, okay? So for the next part of this video, we're going to check how clear the sound is, how quality this sound is, okay? So that you might consider changing if you are not already using this, or if you're considering buying this, you would actually go for it. Okay, so let us go further. So here is the DJI mic, and I'm trying it out. I'm testing for the quality of the sound, and I just placed it here. I believe you can hear the sound. It is very authentic, very solid, very quality. Okay, and this is an indoor setting, and it is sounding very well. Okay, although we have to test for its outdoor quality also, but for the indoor, yeah, it's what it is, and it is what it is. Okay, so I just want you to put your comment on the comment section. Tell me what you think about it.